The Chandler Unified School District Governing Board has called for a bond and override special election on November 4th. To clarify the difference between a bond and an override, here's a shortcut. Bonds pay for buildings, buses, and technology. A maintenance and operations override pays for people and programs. Here are some details to help you make an informed decision. CUSD is asking voters to continue the existing maintenance and operations override. Renewing the already in place override would provide funds to maintain and sustain the following: safety personnel and initiatives at district schools, competitive class sizes, teacher pay, specialized programming, instructional materials, and enhanced technology. The amount of the bond would be $271.5 million, and it will be broken down like this: maintenance, improvements, and building renovations to school facilities, including security enhancements; purchase technology, equipment, and furniture for student learning and teacher instruction; and purchase of pupil transportation or buses with the goal of maintaining a healthy fleet. We drive millions of miles to transport 13,000 students every day. With more than 40,000 students and more than 5,000 employees, CUSD is bigger than some cities and towns. In fact, Chandler Unified is Arizona's second largest school district. Let's talk taxes. The estimated first-year tax rate for the proposed budget override amount is $1.09 per $100 of assessed valuation, and the estimated average tax rate for the proposed bond authorization is 32 cents per $100 of assessed valuation. It's important to note that a committee of real people affected by the bond and override came up with these recommendations. The committee was made up of parents, community, and staff. The most important thing in this is to have all the information so you can make the best decision possible for you and your family. Remember, you can visit the website cusd80.com/election to get the rundown on all sorts of additional facts, including frequently asked questions and answers and important dates. The last day to register to vote is October 6th, and Election Day is November 4th.